I want to bring in Adam Wirt, our executive producer. Adam, what question do you have for us today?
Thanks, Garrett. Yeah, we have a question we got on Facebook from Michael in Chamblee. He sent us this question about his ongoing injuries after an accident. Michael says, a few weeks ago, I was on my way home when it began to rain really hard. It was raining so hard it was difficult to see out my windshield. All of a sudden, the car next to me hydroplaned into my lane. I tried to avoid the collision, but there was nothing I could do. He ended up hitting my car and caused some pretty significant damage. What are my rights and what options do I have? And this is from Michael in Crabtree.
And Adam, we've always, we've been in this situation before. We're heading down the road, raining hard, and we're going slowly. We've got our lights on, but there's still people just flying by, not paying attention to the conditions of the roadway.
I know. And Gary, I know you're probably like me. I got 3 kids like you do. I put the flashers on and I go as slow as I can. So that's, it sounds like it was a pretty bad wreck, so hopefully we can help Michael here.
All right. Well, Adam, thank you for the question.
Thanks, Gary.
And Michael, thank you for sending in your question. You'll hear me tell our viewers this over and over again. If you're hurt in a wreck, go to the doctor. I don't care if you plan on presenting a claim, go to the doctor. You had your health before the wreck, and that is what you want to get when it is all said and done. You want to get better. And second, call a lawyer to help you. Not just anybody, but call someone that specializes in personal injury claims. Now, let's talk about bad weather and the role it often plays in car wrecks. Early stats from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration show that in 2014, look at this figure, 32,670 people died in car wrecks. More than 5.6 million police-reported car accidents occurred in the U.S. in 2013. 28% of those crashes resulted in an injury, and less than 1% resulted in a death. According to the Federal Highway Association, weather on average is responsible for 1,311,097 crashes. The vast majority of most weather-related car accidents happen on wet pavement and during rainfall. 74% on wet pavement and 46% happened during rainfall. During winter conditions, 17% of car accidents are due to snow or sleet, 12% because of icy pavement or roadways, and 14% of weather-related accidents take place on snowy or slushy pavement. When it comes to weather in 2013, in a comparison to rain, snow, and other elements, rain caused more fatal injury-related and property damage car accidents. Rain did. And for fatal crashes, rain was a component for 2,130 car accidents. For injury-related crashes, rain was a component for 158,000 car accidents. For property-related damage crashes, rain was a component for 410,000 car accidents. Now, let's take a look at how the weather can affect the roadways and traffic flow and drivers. Precipitation, rain, snow, sleet, it can affect the roadway in different ways. Pavement friction, lane obstruction, your visibility distance. Precipitation can affect traffic flow through roadway capacity, traffic speed, travel time delays, accident risk, and it can affect drivers. Vehicle performance, or the traction, the driver behavior because of the traffic signal timing. You can't see the vehicle's brake lights ahead of you. Speed limit controls. And another weather element, especially for those early morning commuters, is fog. Now here's some tips I'd like to share with you when driving during bad weather conditions. 1, stay focused. Driving is a thinking task. It's not just a physical task, it's a thinking task. And you have a lot to think about when you're behind the wheel. Staying focused on driving is the key and the only key. Stay alert. Being alert and aware of your surroundings helps you to react quickly to potential problems, like when the driver in the car ahead of you slams on the brakes at the last minute. 3rd, know who's around you. Part of being alert is staying in control of and being aware of other drivers around you. Again, this helps you to be less caught off guard. It's defensive driving. Think safety first. Avoid aggression and inattentive driving tendencies. And when weather elements change, traffic flow will slow down. And you need to as well. Keep your cool and be patient. Make sure your headlights are on, and this is extremely important. Headlights on whenever it's raining, and at night, turn your headlights on. And finally, keep your speed down. Adjust the speed to the conditions in which you're driving. Now, if you or a loved one has sustained injuries due to a weather-related car accident, please do not delay in seeking expert legal help. You owe it to yourself, to your loved ones, to your family to call a lawyer to discuss the facts of your specific claim. Coping with a wreck, I'm telling you, it's emotionally and physically exhausting and draining. You need someone to help you in your time of need. At my law firm, we take the hassle out of these car wrecks for our clients. We focus on the legal issues so our clients can focus on the things that they can control, and that's going to their doctor and doing everything they can to get better. The easiest thing to do is just pick up the phone and give me a call right now to discuss your claim. 770-934-8000 or 1-800-WIN-WIN-1. The call is free, completely confidential. There is no obligation. And we'll be back.